just with some butter or a spread of your choice. There's so many ways to yeah, enjoy this one. It's really nice. Demonstrate how we make our homemade almond bread. So this recipe is it does contain nuts, but it is gluten-free and dairy-free. So it's a really great healthy recipe for the whole family. So what we start off with is 2 cups of organic almond meal. So we put that in. Then we've got 3/4 cup of organic arrowroot flour. We've then got 2 teaspoons of organic rapadura sugar or organic coconut sugar. You could use either one. So it's just 2 teaspoons. 1 teaspoon of baking soda or bicarb soda. And then we've got 4 tablespoons of organic coconut oil, but we have melted that down so it's liquid. Then we have already pre-beaten 4 eggs, so the 4 eggs go in. And then what we need to do is put in 1/3 cup of boiling water. So 1/3 cup of boiling water. And then 2 tablespoons of organic cider vinegar. I use one with the mother. And then the vinegar and the bicarb react. And you just stir all the ingredients together. So once you've mixed all that through really evenly, just make sure there's no lumps. Once it's all ready and stirred through, you can place it into a loaf tin just lined with some baking paper. And once that's full, you put it into the oven for about 35 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Here's the finished product. So it's risen nicely, it's all golden brown on top. We just take that out and put it on a cooling tray to cool down, and once it's cooled down we can enjoy it just with some butter or a spread of your choice. There's so many ways to yeah, enjoy this one. It's really nice and the whole family love it, and it's nice and healthy too, so give it a friend.